Time wind is the word of the night in the valley, and it's causing big problems all over and near some of our state's wildfires. Trees down in Tempe, so are power lines, leaving hundreds in the dark at one point.
Yeah, traffic lights also out. Joe Bartel's all over the valley for us tonight, tracking these trouble spots. Joe, boy, we can still hear it on your mic right there. A little wind can do a lot.
Yeah, Katie, it certainly can, and it continues to be windy. Like you said, we're actually on the roof at ABC 15. This is the helipad where Air 15 comes in for a landing, and that's the windsock that the pilot uses to gauge which way the wind is blowing and how strongly the wind is blowing. We do know there have been power outages. There have also been trees that have been blown over. In fact, let's take a look at some of the video here of a decent-sized tree on Mill Avenue in downtown Tempe blocking the sidewalk there. Thankfully, there wasn't a car parked underneath it when it was knocked down. Also in Tempe, the wild wind blamed on a sailboat that was turned over. The two people on board there were able to make it to shore okay. And some more problems in Scottsdale and also in Tempe. Traffic lights knocked out due to the power outages. Those have since come back on. We also did see crews making repairs tonight. And I also did check with the FAA website with Sky Harbor. No major delays reported because of all this wind tonight. Reporting live in Phoenix, Joe Bartels, ABC 15, Arizona.